Alright, so I am just rolling right along with these hair reviews. I've just filmed another video, no, 2 videos in the same outfit, so hope you don't mind, but we're just going to keep going. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about some Amazon hair. Y'all know I'm kind of on an Amazon kick. I've been burned twice already, but you know, that's not going to deter me from trying to find some deals, trying to find some diamonds in the rough. Alright, so I was looking for some 99J hair because I had some left over from Supernova when I made that cranberry wig. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I will leave it up here in the cards and down below in the description box so you can see that cranberry wig that I made using Supernova hair. So Supernova hair it's a little out of my price range sometimes. I mean, for their standard virgin Peruvian Brazilian hair, it's not. But if you want something pre-colored, their prices can be a little steep. And since I'm not really making this wig for myself, I mean, I make a lot of wigs for myself, obviously. I mean, you guys have seen me in a lot of hair. But sometimes I just want to make a wig and then I put it up on my Poshmark. So if you guys didn't know, I put wigs on my Poshmark. The link is always down below in that description box. And if they're used or new, you will know. I don't lie. On my descriptions, I tell you in detail what the pros and the cons about the hair are. So if you are looking for a super cheap wig that's already made that you have seen on me, they will be down below in the description box in my Poshmark. Alright, so, yeah, we're going to be talking about Zuoqui hair. I'm just going to put it up right here. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Zuoqui hair. And, it is a frontal bundle, or frontal set with 3 bundles, 10, 12, and 14 inches. So I've never ordered from this hair company before. They do not have a, AliExpress store that I'm aware of. And I paid $90.22 for this hair. I did have some Amazon points saved up because I do have a credit card through Amazon. And when you purchase things from Amazon using your Amazon card, you get points, which equates to dollars, which you can use to discount purchases. So I actually only paid $70 for this hair. But if you don't have any of those points or whatever, you're going to be paying $90.22. So that's a little steep for the inches that I got, I think, but maybe not because it comes with a frontal. We'll just see about the quality. Let's just get into it. So it did come Amazon Prime, of course, and this is what the packaging looks like outside of the Amazon bag. And then we have another bag, and this is reusable, so that's good. It's got a little zipper on it. Alright, so fresh out of the bag, this is not going to match my Supernova hair. The Supernova hair I have right here, it's a little bit more on the purpley side. This is a little bit more on the red side. So we're still going to make the wig. It's just going to have some highlights. Alright, so I'm just going to open one of the bundles and the frontal because I have to go to work. But, this is what it comes with as far as add-on items. These cheapo lashes, y'all know I already throw these out. And then a little hair tie, which I keep hair ties, but that's this one. The frontal does come with the hairnet. I love that. Looking at it, it looks hella short. But I guess it's 10 inches, but it looks hella short. This is medium brown lace. Like I said, I'm not making this wig for myself. I'm making this wig, you know, just so I have a wig to make. So it will be available on my Poshmark in the next couple of weeks. So this is what the lace looks like right here. Medium brown. This hair is hella soft, y'all. It's hella soft. It's really soft. Okay. Okay. We're gonna see what it looks like after I put some water to it. But it is soft? Okay. And this is described as 99J / burgundy / wine red. It's a very pretty color. It's just not going to match my Supernova hair, but it's still a very pretty color. It's 10 inches. It looks hella short, but, you know, whatever. I ordered short lengths. It does not have a smell. Oh, you guys. Okay. Okay then. The knots are not bleached, but it wasn't advertised to have bleached knots, and has this this little thing in the front that's supposed to be some baby hairs, and the hairline is not pre-plucked. There are not a whole bunch of short hairs. There's a little bit over here, but that's about it. I don't see any dark hairs in this. I don't see any pieces of yarn. I don't see any lint, but this hair is hella soft. Okay. Okay, my expectations have gotten raised a little bit. All right, let's get into these bundles. Okay, you guys. Okay. This might have been, I might have just stumbled upon something. This hair is hella soft. I mean, it's got a little bit of roughness right at the very ends, but it's hella soft. These bundles are a little small though. These bundles are definitely not as full as I would have expected for a 12-inch. But you know, whatever. It was less than $100. Body wave, obviously this is gonna fall out once I wash it. There are a few short hairs in here. Just a few though. You can barely see them. So obviously this hair has been processed, but it seems like it's been conditioned too, so it doesn't feel like straw. But you know, when you put some water to it, that's when we're gonna really see what we ordered. But this hair is nice. It's full from the weft to the tips, it looks like. Like, oh, there's some more short hairs. They're more toward the bottom. I don't know if my camera is focusing on that. But this hair is hella soft, y'all. I don't think, nope. I'm kind of shook. Because I just randomly decided to go with this. I didn't do any research. I didn't really even look at the reviews. This does have, oh, it doesn't even have any reviews. It doesn't even have any reviews. So that tells you I just picked one because I wanted to make this wig. But I might have stumbled across something here. Let's see if it has a smell. Nope, no smell. So I was planning on making a blonde wig first, but I think I'm going to be making this burgundy wig. I think that's going to go to the top of my list because I really want to see how this hair performs after it's washed. Obviously, I'm not going to color it because it's got color on it already, but I want to see if the color bleeds. I want to see if the hair turns into straw. I mean, I want to see if it sheds, because out of the bag, this is really nice. Okay, then. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I am pleasantly surprised. I will say that. I'm very, very surprised. The bundles are a little small. You know, the price is a little high, just a little bit. However, you do get it with Amazon Prime. You get your hair in 2 days. I would not say that this is enough for a full head. I mean, I guess it really depends on how thick you like your hair. I'm more toward the natural side, but when I make my wigs, I tend to make them, if they're not for me, I tend to make them thicker, because a lot of people like some thick-ass hair, okay? So, yeah, we're gonna see how these perform, and of course, I'm definitely gonna be updating you. If you want to know how I make my frontal wigs, I will leave that up in the cards as well, and down below in the description box, because I do have a video up already on how I created a 13x6 lace frontal wig. And yeah, so if you're getting into wig making game and you want some tutorials, definitely check those out. You can also check out other YouTubers, a lot bigger YouTubers than me, that have been doing this for a lot longer than I have, and they also have tutorials on how to make your wigs, how to do lace placement, all that jazz. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. I am so proud of myself. I filmed 3 videos in less than 2 hours. Now I have to go to work and make some money so I can continue to purchase hair. Anyway guys, I will see you in the next one.